Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. I am not going to keep you all long today, but I was out and about and something came across one of my devices. And I thought, oh my goodness, it's not all about food shortages and empty shelves. The supply chain breakdown, the supply chain crisis, the supply chain pain is becoming a pain.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Now you all saw the title where it's U.S. National Flour Shortage. Flowers, guys, who would have thought? You know, we think sometimes that, food is the biggest thing and it's not affecting it. It's affecting a lot of small businesses. And I mean, as we prep, we're not thinking about flowers. We're not thinking about that. But if you think about flowers, then think about what else is being affected. And if it's affecting something as simple as flowers, now I know a lot of us say, okay, well, flowers, but when you really think about it, Christmas time, people buy poinsettias and all kind of flowers. Take a look at this clip.
Those issues have combined to create a nationwide flower shortage.
It's the supply chain that's breaking down. And if it can't supply something as simple as flowers, it can't supply a lot of things. You need to prepare. Prepare now. Not for today, not for tomorrow. Start prepping for the long haul. Most of us had parents who had all these canned goods and things in our basements or in some storage closet or a cold storage. And we was like, I don't know why we got all this stuff. But you know what? Many a times I remember my mother saying, run downstairs and grab some paper towels. And I'd go downstairs and grab some paper towels and it was walls and walls of paper towels. And now I understand why. Because they didn't need to go out, whether it was a shortage or not. And that's the basis of everything. We're trying to say, whether there's a shortage or not, you shouldn't have to go out to get anything. Now, when you're out, grab something. But you should have everything you need. And that goes far and beyond food. If you work out, have your exercise equipment. If you play puzzles, have your puzzles. Whatever it is, that's what you need to start preparing and have. Let's become self-sufficient.
Additional floral holiday season that runs from Valentine's Day all the way to Mother's Day.
Now, you just heard that, Valentine's Day and Mother's Day, we may not have flowers. That is the biggest flower time of the year. But it's not about the flowers so much as it is about shortages in everything and the supply chain breakdown.
And now, backlogs at ports have led to higher shipping costs.
Gas prices have risen. Oh my goodness. I went to get gas the other day and it was almost $3.50. And I know it's probably higher in some places, but we need our gas so that we can go. But I just wanted to bring that to you all's attention, show you that little news clip that yes, it's not just food. So we need to prepare for whatever it is that we use or we like to have always. So that's it. Again, just getting you guys thinking. I want you guys to prepare. Don't wait. Don't wait. And I have had a lot of people say to me, I'm on a strict budget. Yes, you are. But I want everybody that says to themselves that they're on a strict budget, write down everything you spend money on for 1 week and every place you go. And I guarantee you'll find at least one place or one thing that you didn't necessarily need, even if it was some food. Maybe you could say, well, you know what? I really, really, really wanted this shrimp, okay, or this steak. But you could have put that steak back. And how much did that steak cost? And maybe that steak could have bought you 10 other things. So you have to think like that. You have to think outside of the box. If you bought coffee, and I mean Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, somebody else's coffee, Maybe you could have made that cup at home and the price of that one cup could have been a whole bag. Think outside of the box. I'm sure that there's an expenditure. And if there's not an expenditure, then just say, you know what? I'm going to allocate $5 a week, every other week, to something I can buy that will help me to prepare in the future, that I can stock up on now, be it canned goods. And, I know a lot of us aren't a fan of canned goods, but if it hits the fan, you will be glad you have a canned good. Okay. So I'm not going to keep you guys here. Thank you for hanging out with me again today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Oh my goodness. And you know what? I'll see you on the next video. And until then, remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
Goes for popular wedding flowers like roses and hydrangea. That means brides and grooms may have to compromise.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.